Alright, quick summary. You have your instruction booklets, your monitor, the antenna, which does not bend. It does turn, I guess, when you screw it down. Yeah, it will turn, but it doesn't go up and down. Your wires to hook up the camera's wireless transmitter, the bracket plate with adjustment screws for up and down tilt, optional mounting plate with double-sided 3M tape, or you can screw it through. I'm not sure what these are for. They might also be to protect your car if you don't want this directly on the finish of your car. So it's an optional plate to mount it maybe like under the dash or above on the ceiling, under the dash or on the ceiling. This is your suction mount. You could probably put this in this way. You can put this in this way or this way. And then that pops on there, screws down and tightens. Magnetic in the back of that, so you can easily remove this if you don't want it visible for security. Optional extra extension wire, power port with power button, and other extra wire and connectors. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.